In this video, I'm gonna talk about the similarities and differences between iBGP and eBGP. So, of course, iBGP stands for internal BGP, and eBGP stands for external BGP. So let's talk about the similarities. Both use unicast P2 point-to-point sessions. This happens when you configure the neighbor statement on both routers. So that's as far as I know, that's how BGP communicates. So communicate. And number two, both use TCP port. Specifically port 179. So let's talk about differences. Connection. iBGP can traverse multiple router hops. So a router can, for example, let me just give an example. R1, R2, R3, and R4. So if you have iBGP sessions between these routers, you can actually create a peering between R1 and R2. They don't have to be connected directly. That's what this difference here means. And of course, eBGP expect that the peering is directly, direct connection. So, and that is by default. But you can actually influence that behavior by using a feature called what do you call it again? Multi-hop feature, but let me just double check that. Yeah, multi-hop eBGP. So you can influence that default behavior by using multi-hop eBGP sessions. And of course, peering. iBGP runs between neighbors in the same autonomous system, and eBGP runs between neighbors in different autonomous systems. So yeah, that's it in this video. I might talk about some issues using iBGP. So, but yeah, that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.